Once upon a time in a small town called Sweetville, there was a little cookie factory. The factory was run by two cheerful bakers, Billy and Belinda. They loved baking cookies more than anything in the world. Every Saturday, the people of Sweetville would line up at the factory to buy the delicious treats. But this Saturday was no ordinary Saturday. A mysterious figure had been sneaking around Sweetville, and people whispered about a cookie thief. Billy, a young man with a bright smile and an apron covered in flour, decided to uncover the truth. "We can't let the cookie thief spoil our fun, Belinda," he declared. Belinda, with her sparkling eyes and knack for clever ideas, agreed. "Let's set a plan," she said. That night, after everyone in Sweetville was asleep, Billy and Belinda stayed awake. They prepared a batch of cookies, but instead of sugar, they added sneaky ingredients that would turn the dough purple. While waiting behind a table, Billy heard a noise. "There it is again, Belinda," he whispered excitedly. A shadowy figure tiptoed into the factory. The mysterious figure was wearing a hat and a big scarf. Billy and Belinda watched carefully as the stranger reached for the purple cookies. Belinda winked at Billy, and together they turned on the lights. "Aha! Gotcha!" exclaimed Billy. And there, standing with colorful dough in their hands, was none other than Mr. Whiskers, the town's cat. With a mischievous glint in his eyes, Mr. Whiskers meowed in surprise. "Mr. Whiskers, you've been the cookie thief all along." Belinda giggled. "But why would a cat want cookies?" Turns out, Mr. Whiskers loved anything colorful, and the purple cookies were too tempting to resist. Billy laughed and patted Mr. Whiskers gently. "From now on, we'll bake a special batch just for you, Mr. Whiskers. Colorful kitty treats for Sweetville's sneakiest cookie capper." And from that day on, every Saturday, Mr. Whiskers got his own special treat, and the people of Sweetville continued to enjoy the tastiest cookies in the land.